Hi, Jira software provides a range of reports that offer valuable insight and information about your projects, people, and issues. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Jira software Burndown chart. A Burndown chart is a diagram of the actual and estimated amount of work to be done in a sprint, enabling you to track sprint progress and identify problems. It only shows past and present performance and not forecasting. The Burndown chart can tell you how a team is delivering work during a sprint and how likely they are to achieve the sprint's final goal. By tracking remaining work, a team can manage its progress and respond to trends. The horizontal axis represents time, and the vertical axis represents the number of issues or story points depending on the estimation statistic you've chosen for your board. The red line shows the actual progress of the sprint as issues are completed and indicates the issues or story points remaining in the sprint. The Burndown chart is board-specific and will only include issues that match your board's saved filter. The gray line represents a linear progression from the beginning to the end of the sprint. At any point in time, it indicates a projected number of issues, assuming steady progress through the sprint. These two lines will never overlap perfectly because one is an estimate and the other is actual. However, if they meet at the end of the sprint, then the Scrum team met its predicted goal for the sprint. The vertical gray areas represent non-working days and can be toggled on and off. Below the chart is a list of all issues for the target sprint. You can select different sprints from the sprint dropdown. In this example, the vertical axis currently displays issue count. Use the dropdown to switch to story points. This selection is saved, so the next time you view this chart, it will continue to show story points. And finally, in the list of issues below the report, you can click an individual issue link to view the issue details. Now, let's take a quick look at how to access reports on both cloud and server versions of Jira. To access reports on the server version of Jira, navigate to your desired project, select Reports from the left taskbar, then select the desired report from the Agile Reports display. If you're already viewing a report, you can select a different report from the Switch Report dropdown. To access reports on the cloud version of Jira, navigate to your desired project, select Reports from the left taskbar, then select the desired report from the Agile Reports display. Alternatively, you can select a report from the report list in the left taskbar. For more details about Burndown charts and other Jira reports, please refer to the Jira documentation. Also, you can enroll in the Jira Reporting and Dashboards on-demand course from Atlassian University.